For millennia, the power to create was uniquely human. We alone could mold raw materials into art, translate emotions into music, and weave stories from the fabric of our imagination. But something extraordinary is happening. A new dawn of creation is upon us, powered by artificial intelligence. We call it generative AI. Generative AI is unlike any technology that has come before. It goes beyond simply following instructions. It learns patterns, understands context, and generates entirely new content, from stunning visuals and captivating melodies to compelling narratives and even groundbreaking scientific discoveries. This is not about replacing human creativity, it's about amplifying it, working in concert with us to push the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine a world where an algorithm could help you design the perfect building, compose a symphony tailored to your emotions, or even generate a personalized education plan that caters to your unique learning style. This is the promise of generative AI, a world where our creative potential is limitless, augmented by the power of intelligent machines. This technology is not relegated to the distant future, it's already here, quietly revolutionizing industries and changing the way we create. From the personalized music recommendations you receive to the AI-assisted artwork popping up in your social media feeds, generative AI is slowly but surely weaving itself into the very fabric of our lives. How do these machines achieve such feats of creative prowess? At their core, generative AI systems are like eager students, constantly learning and evolving. They are fed massive amounts of data, images, text, music, code, and through this process of deep learning, they begin to understand the underlying patterns and structures that govern these creations. Imagine showing a child thousands of pictures of cats. Eventually, the child will learn to recognize the distinct features of a cat, the pointy ears, the whiskers, the tail, and even begin to draw their own, albeit rudimentary, feline creations. Generative AI operates on a similar principle, but on a scale and complexity far beyond human capability. These AI models use sophisticated algorithms, often neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain, to analyze and internalize the data they are fed. They don't simply memorize the information, they learn the relationships between different elements, the nuances of style, and the subtle variations that make each creation unique. This deep understanding allows them to go beyond mere imitation. They can extrapolate from the data they've learned, combining different elements in novel ways to generate something entirely new, something that has never existed before. This is the essence of generative AI, the ability to not just replicate, but to truly create. One of the most fascinating aspects of generative AI is the diversity of its applications. It's not confined to a single domain, but spans a multitude of creative disciplines. In the realm of music, for instance, AI algorithms are composing original pieces that rival the works of human composers. These AI composers don't just randomly string notes together, they understand the complexities of melody, harmony, and rhythm. They can analyze existing musical styles, from classical to jazz to electronic, and generate compositions that adhere to those styles or even blend them in innovative ways. Imagine listening to a symphony that seamlessly transitions from the grandeur of Beethoven to the improvisational spirit of Miles Davis, all orchestrated by an AI. But it's not just about replicating existing genres. Generative AI is pushing the boundaries of music itself, creating entirely new genres and soundscapes that we've never heard before. It's like discovering a new continent of musical possibilities, a sonic landscape ripe for exploration. The art world, too, is undergoing a generative revolution. AI algorithms are creating stunning visual masterpieces, from photorealistic landscapes and abstract paintings to intricate sculptures and mind-bending digital art. These AI artists, armed with an understanding of color, composition, and form, are challenging our very notions of what art can be. Imagine feeding an AI a database of Van Gogh's paintings. The AI, analyzing the brushstrokes, the colors, the themes, could then generate a new Van Gogh, a painting that captures the essence of the master's style but is entirely original. This raises fascinating questions about authorship and originality in the age of AI art. But generative AI in art goes far beyond imitation. It allows us to explore entirely new artistic mediums and forms. Imagine sculptures that morph and evolve in real time, responding to their environment or the emotions of the viewer. Or imagine interactive art installations that are different for every person who experiences them, generated on the fly by an AI that tailors the experience to their unique preferences. The possibilities are as limitless as our imaginations. Section 5. A world woven with words. The written word, the cornerstone of human communication and storytelling, is also being transformed by generative AI. AI models are now capable of writing everything from news articles and poems to screenplays and even novels. They can mimic the style of famous authors, adapt to different genres, and even generate creative content in multiple languages. Imagine feeding an AI the complete works of Shakespeare. The AI, after analyzing the bard's unique use of language, his themes, his characters, could then generate a lost Shakespearean play, a work that captures the essence of Shakespeare's style but is entirely new. But it's not just about mimicking the past. Generative AI can help us break new ground in storytelling. Imagine interactive narratives where the reader's choices influence the direction of the story, or AI-generated worlds that respond dynamically to the actions of the characters. The line between reader and writer, between audience and creator, becomes blurred in exciting and unexpected ways. Section 6. The future of storytelling. The implications for the future of storytelling are profound. Imagine personalized bedtime stories for children, generated on the fly based on their favorite characters and themes. Or imagine interactive news articles that adapt to the reader's interests, providing them with a truly customized news experience. Beyond entertainment, this technology has the potential to revolutionize education and research. Imagine AI-powered tutors that can adapt to each student's learning style, providing personalized lessons and feedback. Or imagine AI researchers that can sift through vast amounts of data, uncovering hidden patterns and insights that would take human researchers years to find. The potential applications of generative AI in writing and storytelling are vast and still being explored. It's a field ripe with opportunity, where the line between human and machine creativity becomes increasingly blurred, leading to new forms of expression and understanding. Beyond art, the practical applications. The impact of generative AI extends far beyond the realms of art, music, and literature. It's poised to revolutionize industries ranging from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and scientific research. Imagine AI algorithms designing new drugs and therapies tailored to an individual's genetic makeup, or generating personalized financial plans that optimize for their specific goals and risk tolerance. Picture AI systems optimizing manufacturing processes in real time, reducing waste and increasing efficiency, or designing sustainable energy solutions that address the world's growing energy needs. In scientific research, generative AI is already being used to analyze complex datasets, identify potential drug candidates, and even design new materials with specific properties. It's accelerating the pace of discovery, helping us tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change to disease eradication. The potential applications of generative AI are as diverse as the challenges we face as a society. It's a tool that, if wielded responsibly, has the power to improve lives, solve problems, and create a more sustainable and equitable future for all. Ethical considerations and the road ahead. As with any transformative technology, generative AI comes with its own set of ethical considerations. Questions of authorship, bias, and the potential misuse of such powerful technology must be addressed. Who owns the copyright to an AI-generated piece of music or art? How do we ensure that these AI systems are trained on diverse and unbiased datasets so they don't perpetuate existing societal biases? And how do we prevent malicious actors from using this technology to create harmful or misleading content? These are not easy questions, and they require careful consideration from technologists, policymakers, and society as a whole. As we continue to develop and deploy generative AI, it's crucial that we do so responsibly, with a focus on transparency, accountability, and ethical use. Open discussions and collaborations between stakeholders are essential to ensure that these powerful tools are used for good, to empower individuals, and to create a future where AI benefits all of humanity. A universe of possibilities. Generative AI is not merely a technological advancement, it's a profound shift in our relationship with technology. It's a tool that empowers us to explore the uncharted territories of our own imaginations, to push the boundaries of creativity, and to solve problems in ways we never thought possible. We are still in the early days of this technological revolution, and the full impact of generative AI is yet to be realized. But one thing is clear, the future is teeming with possibilities. As we continue to develop and refine these AI systems, who knows what incredible creations await us on the horizon? Perhaps AI will help us compose symphonies that move the soul, design buildings that inspire awe, or write stories that transport us to other worlds. Maybe it will help us unlock the secrets of the universe or find cures for diseases that plague humankind. Our roles in the age of AI. The future of generative AI is not predetermined, it's a future that we will shape. It's up to us to ensure that these powerful tools are used for good, to augment human creativity, and to create a future that benefits all. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of AI-powered creation, one thing remains certain. The most remarkable discoveries, the most awe-inspiring art, the most moving stories, they won't come solely from machines. They will come from the collaboration between human and machine, a fusion of our unique capabilities, where imagination and innovation intertwine to create something truly extraordinary. The cosmos, with all its mysteries and wonders, awaits. Let's use this new tool to explore it, to understand it, and to create something beautiful together.